Last year, my cousin cleared up some part of his hill forest garden, which is all rubber trees and secondary forests. While walking near the slash and burn area, then I saw this pretty flower blooming. This is a plant locally known as wakung, where the young shoots can be eaten raw. In between waiting for the hill rice to grow and its harvest season, there was an event in Sabah from the government, which is program MADANI RAKYAT 2020 for SAYANGI Sabah. Many government departments all around Sabah state has their own exhibitions. Some of the interesting exhibition from the government will be from the military department, like the military assets exhibitions. It was really wonderful that the public can look around the vehicles from the military, so it was really fun as you can sit inside and also climb on top of it.
Ini buat Grab tu biar ada passenger belakang. Buat ni. Ini baru dia mah buat pergi masuk bu.
Yalah, mana satu macam ni bawa pergi masuk bu.
Masuk bu sudah.
Encik. Cuba dia ada tengah berapa?
Tak bayar.
Sabar ketua.
It was also interesting to see how the food rations are prepared for the soldiers. As rice is a staple food in Malaysia, so it's not surprising that one of the main rations will be rice for the soldiers to bring. One of the local products that we were interested was also
Brand ni minat ni
sambal
daripada
or chili
negeri mana?
beans
Sinilah
that we
Sabah.
can bring easily to our hill forest garden and eat with rice.
Oh sedap. Oh, nama dia rasa sedap lah begitu.
Kalau nyanyi kan memang dia sebenarnya sedap.
Ya, ni yang kita pergi hari tu kan?
Besar ni. Memang, ni pun dah beli dulu.
Hari tu kami ada beli, tapi yang ni di mana? SICC ni Expo.
Oh, okey.
Tapi lupa sudah saya yang Expo mana.
The handicrafts like this earring was also so pretty. I should have bought a pair.
Tuai padi Tambunan 4 bulan, sekarang tuai padi Ponsulak 5 bulan. Ponsulak. Makan mami. Dek belakang ni lagi dek. Sleeping. Intai-intai mama. Yeah.
Ponsulak hill rice is a medium long size hill rice grain which takes 5 months to grow from seed sowing to harvest. At North Borneo Island, every year at the end of May, the Harvest Festival event is conducted and it's a public holiday. Happy Harvest Day!